Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sir, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to continue our session, our series on practice, right? So we are practicing full length mock test here for the logical reasoning section, and I have been bringing in a mixed type of question set. Mixed means sometimes from SSC exams, CGL, sometimes from other SSC exams, and sometimes from your parallel SSC exams or non-SSC exams is what I'm talking about. Exams like railways, exams like banking, etc. Okay. So in today's session, we'll glide through 25 questions more or less based on the CGL level, and let's time it and let's see how soon can we get it over with, right? But before I begin with that, I have something important to tell you here, and that is, okay, this is the first important thing which I start with. For SSC test subscriptions, the 25 million users sale is back. So you can use the code 25M, capital M, to get 55% off on test subscriptions. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. Absolutely useful. Same 55% off is also applicable on courses subscriptions for railways and SSC as well. So just go ahead and check it out. Now, this is what I'm going to talk to you about. It's extremely important. The super practice kit. Okay, so Oliveboard has launched this super practice kit exclusively for SSC students. For all of you who are preparing for SSC examinations, 1,000+ tests have been curated here for your absolute need of practice, and this is separate from whatever we are practicing in the courses. These questions are different from those. Okay, and these 1,000 tests, what happens exactly is your 4 major subjects are divided into subtopics, and each subtopic holds 6 different type of tests. Now, what are these 6 tests? So level 1 is easy, level 2 is medium, level 3 is difficult. After that, we go for the next test, that is test number 4, which is based on previous year questions exclusively. Then test number 5, which is a speed booster test, I would say, speed improvement or a speed booster test. And the last one is a revision test. So total of 6 tests in every set you will be able to see for every subject. So tier 1 and tier 2 both are covered here, and you can see in speed improvement what exactly happens. A lot of students have asked me this while I have promoted this in a lot of my sessions. They have come back and asked me that what exactly happens in speed improvement. So in speed improvement, for each type of question, there is a specific timeline within which you have to solve that question. Normally what happens is, it is like there is let's say a small test of let's say 20 questions or 25 questions, and I have given you 25 minutes, so 20 minutes to solve it. Okay, 25 questions, 20 minutes, maybe, let's say, or 10 questions, 7 minutes, 6 minutes. So that is other thing. You can take more time in one question, less time in the other question. But here, every question is time bound. So it pushes you to solve that question within the time limit and the whole paper within a certain time limit. So that is what a speed booster test is. So you can go ahead and check it out. I'll also give you a quick demo, reasoning. Pick up one topic, let's say inequality, and you can see 6 level of tests here. 3 levels, normal, easy, medium, hard, and the others. Okay, and as and when you will keep attempting, they will keep unlocking for you in the future. Okay, so let's start with our session now. Oops, 30 seconds is less for this one. Try to arrange the set in 40 seconds and get to the answer. Good evening, Avijit. How are you? Okay, so we have 8 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're sitting in 2 lines of 4 persons each, and both the lines are facing each other. So that's how it's going to be. A is facing D. Okay, E is to the immediate left of G. E is to the immediate left of G. A is facing D wherever he or she is. H is immediate right of B. C is facing G. F is facing H. Okay. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. So C, B, H, they are together in one line. Okay. G is standing here. And in that case, B is immediate right of the person. And what about B and H? H is to the immediate right of B. So I think we'll write it like this: C, B, H. And in front of C we'll have G and E. Okay. And H was facing F. So this much is clear now. Right? This is not a 40-second question. D is to the immediate left of F. So obviously A is here. So we have got an arrangement which is A, H, B, C, D, F, E, G. Now the question is asking which four persons are sitting in the same line: A, B, C, H. Option A is the right answer. One method is this. What is the other method? The other method can be that you delete from the options itself. That can make it faster. Good, good, good. Very good, Abhijit. The other method is you can delete from the options. Okay. So we can see that F is facing H. H is to the immediate right of B. That means B and H are sitting together. Okay. So like this one, line by line you can see E is to the immediate left of G. So if there is G here, E has to be there with it. So this option will go. Okay. If there is E here, G has to be here with it. So G is not there. Right. H is to the immediate right of B. Okay. C is facing G. F is facing H. Okay. B is to the immediate right of the person who is facing G. D is to the immediate left of F. So then between these two you had to have a choice now. Okay, that was between A and D. Cool. Next. Okay. So we have 29, 26 minus 3, 26, 23 minus 3, 20 minus 3 is Q. We'll start with Q. We have all the options starting with Q. Use this. Then the next one will be A, E, I, M. Okay, thank God it's not vowels. So we are increasing with plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. So we have double Q. Only one option with double Q. So option C is the right answer. Cool. Next. Good. Okay, in this one, we can see that the first two letters are all reverse letters. Okay, all the options. After that, we have 22 and 27. So, we're increasing by 5. Or maybe we can check the last letters also, no? 1, 6, so plus 5. 2, 8, plus 6. 21, 26, plus 5. 12, 17, plus 5. Yeah, so option B becomes my correct answer. So first two letters are reverse letters and then the last two letters are going on in this order. Okay. Next. It's about how fast we can catch it and how fast can we get there. See, this is exactly, now directly you should look at the difference. So this is 5, this is 6 plus 1. 6, 9 plus 3. 9, 14 plus 4. Plus 5. 14, 21 plus 7. So what is happening? Odd numbers. So plus 7 plus 9. 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 minus 26 is 4. So this is D. Option B is the correct answer. Now it will become more beautiful if you can actually do this in your head. A lot of you can, I know already. Right? The idea is to save time here also. That you can just look at the question and you'll be like, oh, this is what is happening. Tick on the answer, get ahead. Okay? Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget that. Okay, all pillars are funnels. Some pillars are spatulas. Some pillars are not funnels. No, I cannot say that. Some spatulas are pillars. I can say that. So only conclusion 2 follows. Option B is the right answer. Easy. And if I write this then, let's change the question, isn't it? Yeah, let's do that. What, every time we are doing the same set of syllogisms only. Simple only, I'll keep it, not difficult. Now tell me. Yeah, only 2 was right in that case, but now what will be correct? Figure is in front of us. Some pillars are not funnels is a possibility. Some pillars are not funnels is a possibility. Some spatulas may be pillars. Yes. If I convert this into a possibility case syllogism, what will be my answer? So in this case, some pillars are not funnels. See, all pillars are funnels. So some pillars not being funnels is not even a possibility. That's an incorrect conclusion. That means this conclusion breaches the scope of my statement. So this is absolutely incorrect. This will not follow. Some funnels are not pillars is a possibility is fine. Okay. And some spatulas may be pillars. Some spatulas may be pillars. A lot of students fall into this trap. They still mark option 2 as the right answer. If some spatulas are pillars is a definite conclusion, the moment you put maybe, can be or possibility with it, it goes false. Whatever is true in definite will always be false in possibility. So this will also go wrong. So only conclusion, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Okay. Read it carefully what I have changed the conclusions here. Cool. Next. Okay, now this one is a typical one actually. So no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to get anything in direct sense. So check for alternate. And the moment you see 6 and 42, you will realize what what it is. This is 6 square plus 6. So this is 2 square plus 2. This is 1 square plus 1. Okay. So this should have been 42 square plus 42, but we are not bothered about that. So we are looking at this one now. What exactly is happening here? Check. So this one is 1 cube plus 1. This is 2 cube plus 2. So this has to be 10 cube plus 10, which is 1010. Option C is the correct answer. Cool? Correct. Very good. So in these cases, what exactly will happen is, it is asking you the code of U. So wherever U is coming, we leave that. Wherever it is not coming, we are going, she is ready. We'll delete these numbers from the option. So 2, 6, 1. So 6 and 1 are gone. And 4, 9, 8. So 4 will be gone. 5 is left. 5 is the code for U. Cool. Next. Good, good, good. Okay. Two orientations of a dice are shown. The dice which can be obtained by the folding which of the these dice can be obtained by folding which of these figures. Okay. So now if you see percentage and at the rate, they are opposite to each other here. Percentage and at the rate. So will they be opposite here? Yes, they are opposite, because from dollar if we proceed here, we will get at the rate is opposite to percentage and ampersand is opposite to hash. We are not sure who dollar is opposite to. Okay. From the clockwise method we can figure this out. So percentage and at the rate are opposite. Okay. Ampersand and dollar are opposite. No, that is not the case. So this will go. Okay. Dollar and hash are opposite. This is not the case. Go. Dollar G. Okay. Ampersand hash and at the rate percent. I think option C is the correct answer, which is fitting the bill. Okay. Cool. Next. This question is just worth 10 seconds, guys, not more than that. India, Delhi, Assam, Guwahati. Correct. Good. Now, in haste, what students do is they take up question number option D. In haste, they do that. Okay. So, option B is the correct answer here. Guwahati is in Assam, but Delhi and Assam have got nothing to do with each other, and they are all in the part of India. Now see, in these questions, how do we proceed is, which of the following questions means J is the father of R? So first and foremost, you have to check for the gender. So J can definitely not be a wife, that is J will not be followed by an @ because J is not a woman, and J cannot be a sister, so J will not be followed by a hash. This is not possible. Eliminate these options. So after J, you cannot have an @, it's here, this is gone. Okay, I think that's it. J does not have a hash after it. And in the end also, if J is in the end, you will not know the gender of J. Okay, but we need J to be the father of R. In this particular case, we will not know the gender. So this will also be eliminated. Now out of these two, you have to check. Okay, so J and R, this is it. So J percentage K, J is the brother of K, K $M, K is the father of M, M hash R, M is the sister of R. No, this is not it. So now without checking only, we can say that option C is the right answer. Okay, but even if you want to check it, what we will do is J $K, J is the father of K, K %M, K is the brother of M, M hash R, M is the sister of R, so J is the father of R. Correct. If sum of two numbers and the difference of two numbers is given, so x plus y and x upon x minus y is given to you as 6 by 5. You need to find x by y. So how can you get that? That is by component and dividend. So your answer will be 6 plus 5 upon 6 minus 5, which is 11 upon 1, is option D. Now, what exactly is happening here is, in this case, if nothing is clicking you, what you will do is you can divide one column with a common factor. So if you do that, you will get 4 here, 4, 6 and 9. And now it will be quite clear that 13 into 4 is 52, 15 into 6 is 90, so 23 into 9 will be our answer. Now 23 into 9 unit digit will be 7. And it is going to be definitely greater than 200. It's not 117 at all. So option C is the right answer. You don't even have to solve it. Though even if you can, not a big deal. 230 minus 23 will be our answer. Okay. 230 minus 23. See, 6 is opposite to 1. Which of the following statement is correct? So we can see 2, 5, 2, 5. 6 is opposite to 1. This is definitely true. So option C is the right answer. 5 is not opposite to 2. 3 is not opposite to 6. 3 is opposite to 5. It's visible from here. 6, 1, 3, 5. So 2, 4, no? 1 and 4 cannot be opposite. Sorry. Correct. Good. It's clearly visible here that it is embedded in this place. So option C is the correct answer. Easy. "20 seconds are more than sufficient for this question." So Ganga is quoted as, so G 7, 1, 14, 7, 1. 21, 3, 42, 21, 3. So we are just multiplying this by 3. So what is the code for Gomti? 7 into 3 is 21. Gone, gone. 15 into 3 is 45. Option B is the right answer. Okay. So we'll start from, okay, water image is required. So 5 will flip. So the line will go this side. No, this is not a correct option. Okay. Then 9 will flip. This is not the correct option. 2 will flip like this. 1 will flip like this. 6 will flip like this. R will flip like this. G will be different. This is the flip of G. This is not it. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Next. This is pretty direct. We are just reversing these place values. TULIPS. So what is the code for garden? So TZIWVM. We didn't have to solve it completely, but TZIW. Oh, we had to. Option D is the right answer. Correct. Opposite letters they were. What about this one? Pretty easy. So we will be completing this hexagon in between. Okay, this triangle will flip here. So this is gone. This is gone. Now between C and D, observe which one is a different one. So this triangle is a straight triangle on top, which is not here, the star, sorry. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, next. Arey, what happened? Okay, out here between on the first place is 1, 3 and 2. So 1 serenity serviceable serpent. 1 is going to come first, so this is gone, this is gone. After 1 we have 4, so now we have to check between 5 and 2. Serotonin serpent. This is 16, this is 15. Obviously 5 will come first, so option A is the right answer. Okay. So there are two things happening here. Number one is this whole line is moving 45 degrees clockwise. So this has to go like this. So this option will be ruled out. And the next thing is there is a cyclic movement going on between them. What exactly is happening here is this circle is moving at the bottom and the rest of them, they are all moving one step ahead. Okay, so we have triangle, sorry, my bad. This star is moving on the top and the rest of them are moving one step down. So star, circle, rhombus, square, triangle, then it will keep flipping like this. So this little square will go on the top, on the left rightmost side, and after the square we'll have triangle, star. So this is gone. Circle, rhombus, triangle, star, circle, rhombus. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, Ayush, Harsh, Argamita and Avijit are regulars, but I am seeing new participation today. Good, I am happy. D denotes division, B denotes multiplication, A denotes addition, B denotes multiplication, A denotes addition, C denotes subtraction, D denotes division. So we will start. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 28 divided by 1 is 28. Okay. 45 divided by 9 is 5. And 7 plus 3 minus 6. So this is 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 5 into 5 plus 8 into 4 minus 28. 25, 32, 28. 57 minus 28 is 29. Cool. Now, in this particular question, we'll first check what exactly is going wrong. Okay. So, 216 divided by 432 is 1 by 2 and 18. So, this is giving you 9. Now, 16 plus 40 is 56 minus 9 can never be 20. So, there is something wrong. What is wrong? 56 minus 9. We need to increase this negative. Okay. We need to increase this negative. How can we do that? Now, just check for division. Can I change division with anything else? So, division and minus is not making sense. So, this option is gone directly. Okay. Division and into I can still do. I can still put it here. Let me just check it for the sake of it. So, 18 divided by 216 into 432. This will be twice and this is 36. So, this whole unit now becomes 36. So, the negative values increase from 9 to 36. Now, 40 plus 16 is 56 minus 36 is 20. So, my answer is option B. Okay, I just checked with the division sign. Okay, so is it 8, 10 minus 2, 8. So 16 minus 2, 14. 19 minus 3, 16. So 23 minus 3 is 20. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now this one is slightly different. See, check the difference. 7, 16, 41, 94, 251. Okay, so this is 9. This is 25, 53. 651, 157. Okay. Now, no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to find some logic here. Let's check the double difference. For the sake of it, I am checking it. What if I get something? Okay. So, this is 16, 25, 25 and 3, 28 and 53, 104. Is it making sense? No. Let's check it again. So 16 and 28 will be 12. Oh God, what am I doing? And again, it will not make any sense, right? So technically, this is not just simple addition which is going on here. There is something else which is going on here in the differences. What is that? So can I do this 9 multiplied by 3 minus 2? 25 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2. 159 minus 2. So the next one has to be multiplied by 2 plus 3. So 150 into 2 is 300, 7 into 2 is 14. So this is 314 plus 3, 317. Sorry, so 317 will be here. So we'll add this to get our answer. This is 568. Option A is the correct answer. Interesting? Okay? Yeah, exactly. Next. Oh no, before next, I have something else to share with you. So before we proceed to the next question, you all know what is coming now. If you know, it's a good thing. If you don't know it, then this can be for you, right? So Oliveboard, be with me. I will give you one more question after this, the last one, and then we'll end the session. Not now. So be with me for the next few minutes. So Oliveboard has now launched the reattempt mocks features, which is exclusively available for super elite subscribers. In the beginning of the session, I had spoken about the super practice kit, which was launched by Oliveboard. That super practice kit and the reattempt feature exclusively available for super elite subscribers only, free of cost. Okay. So what happens in the reattempt mock feature? You can reattempt that same mock as a new setup, same questions but a new setup, a new mock. Basically your marks will be calculated again and you can check the difference of how much you've improved, how much you've understood, how much you're able to retain. But always use it after a few days. You can attempt it immediately also if you want. It is enabled, but I would suggest use it after a few days so that you can check your retention as well. Maximum up to 2 attempts can be done with this feature. So check it out. It is a very, very good feature of reattempting mocks and it can actually bring a difference in your preparation. If you're looking to download the PDF of this session, you'll find it on the updated Oliveboard application. Select your examination in the drop down here. Bottom right corner, click on courses. This page will open up. Scroll, scroll, scroll. You will reach YouTube class PDFs. There you will select your desired class and click on the download PDF option. The PDF will be yours. And I told you about Super Elite. So what is Super Elite? Super Elite definitely enables these 3 features for you right away. Super Practice Kit, already told you about. Reattempt feature, already told you about. Think Like AIR1 series by the topper. Okay. So Shubham Agarwal, AIR1 of last year, 2024 SSC. He has recorded some sessions and attempted some live mocks. Okay. And also his own previous year mocks. So his previous year Tier 1 shift and Tier 2 shift. Both he has attempted with a mindset, live commentary of the mindset of a topper. That what exactly is he thinking? How is he calculating? What is he going through? What did he go through on that day? How did he overcome it? Very, very good insights and inputs for you. Apart from that, a small formula book is also made by him exclusively, which was used by him during his preparation. So you can check this feature out also, extremely free of cost. Absolutely free of cost for SSC Super Elite subscribers. Apart from this, of course, all course access will be there for you. Mock test will be available with AI analysis and 100 plus typing tests, PYQs and past live tests will be also available for you. Everything under one umbrella. So Super Elite is actually a good option for you. Though we are launching wonderful new courses for you. SSC CGL practice course is coming up or the new revision course is already going on. So you can check these courses out as well for your benefit. But I would always suggest the Super Elite subscription. Now let's move on to the last question, guys. So this is it. Let's not put the timer. Let's get it over with. Instant answers you can give me. Oh God. Exactly. So 1 or 2 questions like this they will throw at you, no? Everything can't be direct and easy, no? Yeah, so exactly what is this? 13, 330, 1331, 13 minus 1, 13 minus 2 whole cube. Similarly, 17 minus 2 is 15, 15 cube is 3375, so option C is my correct answer. And with that, we'll end the session here. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. I'll take your leave now. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and share this session across platforms so that others can also benefit from the same. Thank you so much for joining live. Bye-bye, namaskar, Jai Hind. See you around in the next session. Most welcome, bacha.